This is a 1957 Chevy Bel Air pickup truck. I didn't even know they made one of those. Oh shit. Welcome back to Decked Out Jon Boats. We're out here at Old Car City, USA to take you back. Yeah, I know, this is a boat building channel and a fishing channel. What am I doing in the junkyard? We're out here at Old Car City today to take you back to when this boat was built. This was long after that iconic song with the first distortion was recorded in Memphis at Sun Studios. But right across the way is a car that was made in the year that I'm talking about. Don't be Googling it, but let's see if you can guess the year.
I got love, love. I got love. Some people say money gets you everything.
Not long after I recorded that song, a young kid walked in to record acetate. Paid $4 to record 2 sides. That's all right, Mama became a local success, and he went on to huge stardom, and you're not gonna believe what they have here. This is the very last car Elvis Presley ever purchased in 1977. It was purchased on June 4th, just before he died on August 16th, 1977. He gave the car to Larry Geller as a gift, who was his hairdresser and friend. In the year we're looking for, Elvis would return from the Army. He was so unsure that his friends would welcome him back and that he was still the king of rock and roll. But I think 3 #1 hits in this year would prove that he was still on top. Elvis's #1s were Stuck on You, It's Now or Never, and Are You Lonesome Tonight? Now, after appearing on the Frank Sinatra show, Elvis would go on to Hollywood, film all of his movies. Well, do you have a guess yet? Put it down in the comments.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know.
The year we're looking for, this car also rolled off the assembly line. A little later, we're gonna take you somewhere else, let you see what this car looked like when it was brand new.
I tell you, mama, I tell you, papa, too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too.
I would say this VW bus is getting air. Although Elvis Presley may have had 3 #1s, can't even say that was the biggest song of the year. There was a dance craze sweeping the nation. Chubby Checker and the Twist. In this year, a young Cassius Marcellus Clay won an Olympic gold medal in the light heavyweight division. Most of y'all know him as Muhammad Ali. Don't you do it. Don't you Google any of that. No cheating. Now, another man that fashioned his band after Elvis's with a stand-up bass, an electric guitar, and a rhythm guitar was this man, Johnny Cash. Now, this is Johnny Cash's truck. It's a 1946 1.5 ton Ford. It was used in the Murder of Coweta County movie. And it just so happens, it also starred Andy Griffith. In the year we're looking for, the Andy Griffith Show debuted. They just started broadcasting in color on television. First presidential debate was held on television, and JFK was elected. I don't think this guy knows. In this year, Motown Records was founded.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And go it down, I know.
In this year, Georgia's state song also hit #1 with Ray Charles and Georgia on My Mind.
But it don't make me happy. It's not the reason my heart sings. It's what I've got. You couldn't put a price on that. 'Cause I got something real. 'Cause I got love, love. I got love, love. I got love. I got love. Some people cruel. Some people try to get by. If you don't have a reason, it's hard to make it all worthwhile. 'Cause what I've got surely makes the world go round. 'Cause I got something real. 'Cause I got love. I got love, love. I got love. I got
Oh shit.